So here it is, turned up just this morning, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Creator Edition. I've got this to replace my Hero 7 Black, so this is a significant upgrade for me. So we have this tab along the bottom of the box. And here we go. The Creator Edition comes in this nice little GoPro carry case, and I do have quite a lot of GoPro accessories, so it'd be nice to keep them all in there. So let's dive in, see what we get. Okay, so we get some literature telling us about a subscription. You do get 12 months subscription to the GoPro Cloud when you buy one of these. More literature, and here are all the goodies. So there is the Creator mod itself. Have another look at that after. Here's the light. Got any charge in it? Yep, charged. Has a light diffuser on it. Then up here we have a battery. Here is the camera itself. So there's the camera with all the stickers taken off it, and this is compatible with GoPro's new magnetic attachments, but you can attach it to your accessories that you may already have. I've got plenty of GoPro accessories. So yeah, that's good. And here we have the tripod. And then under here, wow. Okay, so what have we got in here? Another mount. So there's the magnetic snap-on attachment. Right, a mount with an adhesive sticker on it, so that will obviously slide in there, and then the camera attaches to here with those tabs. Okay, so that is for covering the microphone on the media mod. Nice. And then down here we have another mount. Not quite sure about what that is. Not quite sure what that is. Gonna have to have a good play about with this. Okay, so there'll be screws for the screwing the camera to the mounts. I've got loads of these things knocking about. Like I say, I've bought loads of GoPro accessories over the years, so I've got all kinds of mounts and things. I've got one of those suction cups somewhere, and I of course have my GoPro 3-way, which I'm gonna keep and use. And then we have this cable, and I think this is for, oh, this will be the charging cable. Yeah, of course. So that's the charging cable, and then on here we'll have a cable for powering the camera using a battery that's in this tripod mount. Okay, all good. So there we go, that's it, all pieced together and set up. So what I'm going to have to do now is get a memory card in it. Apparently it wants to do a software update, so I'll get the software update done, have a play about with it, and then report back. But yeah, decent little unit. Pleased with it.